Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, cream chicken and biscuits. The morning mise en place. The mise en place to cook the chicken. Here's the chicken getting ready to boil. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up and melting some butter in a saute pan. I add the onions and saute for a few minutes. Then I add the flour and whisk it in. And then I add some stock and get that whisked in. And then I add the milk and get that stirred in. I add the herbs and spices and get them stirred in. Then I add the vegetables and get them incorporated. Then I add the chicken and get the chicken incorporated. I arrange the biscuits. The final creamed chicken. And the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Have fun cooking.